This way, right?
Yeah.
I
That
like
way.
it.
So by you being a, go ahead, try the other way you want to. Go ahead. Boom. Now by you being a woman, by y'all being a woman, y'all use your feet.
Yeah.
Get over here. You'll put your feet here, put your hand here, and push it. You know, push it with the
And I
feet.
got on the wrong shoes.
No, you got the right, you got the shoes on. Yeah. And just pull it. Pull it hard. With both hands. Pull it. Push it with your feet. Push it with your feet. As you pull, push with your feet.
Okay.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
What the fuck? I'm gonna loosen it for you.
Huh?
Wow!
Now, try this
I
one.
loosened it for you. That's
Try that
cold. What?
See, you hear it clicking? A little bit more.
Woo!
See? Got it.
Okay, period. Okay. The next one.
Next one, make sure you can put your feet up there. So you want to angle it. You want to angle it that way. That way you got grip there.
Yeah.
And when you pull, like if you got to pull, then kick it.
Okay.
Get it on loose.
Yeah.
Put your pressure on it. It ain't gonna go nowhere. Put your pressure on it. Get mad at it. You gotta go. You're stuck on the freeway. You gotta go. You gotta get it done. You got the jack right, but you gotta get this nut off so I can put my other tire on.
Come on, I gotta get the tire.
Push. See? Push a little harder. Push a little harder.
Oh, shit!
Gotta push hard, baby.
Okay.
Gotta push it hard.
I feel it.
Got one more screw.
Bruh, we gotta do another side too.
Okay, now look, I give you, look, hold on now. I give y'all a better shot at this right here. Now if you want, if you can't get it going that way, you get it going this way.
Okay.
Try it. You figure out which feet you want to use to push with.
Oh.
Okay? Push and pull. Push it.
Okay. I like that one better.
Hey, girl. Well, you get more push with your feet, though. And pull and push like you kicking in a door.
Y'all already on shit.
Yeah. Girl.
Taking it off or put it on?
Taking it off for right now. Whew. All right, I felt that. Because I couldn't do it with my strength on my arm. I'm too weak.
No, you're not. You just gotta use your legs.
My
And
legs.
pull. All you're doing is pulling.
Yeah.
This is your rotor. This is your brake cylinder. Your brake is in here. Right? So if your brake pad is not showing you enough where the brake's at. This is how your brake's supposed to look. Coming up off there. See how far? See how far that one in there? But when I take it off, when I take this off, you'll see the difference in your brakes. Alright? This is a 14, what you need to take off to.
Okay, but show
14.
Gotta be strong.
Man, gotta be heckin' strong.
You gotta know how to get it. go.
There's one at the bottom.
Right. Usually you'll crack your fingers.
Oh, dang. Okay.
You don't gotta take all of it off. Just these two screws right here.
Oh, period. Okay. Well, what? Period.
Yeah.
Like,
Paying how much to do my brakes?
Zit-out. Just buy the brake and put your shit on yourself.
$30. That's it.
Exactly. So basically, no.
Just like if you get.
Oh, my pad is gone. Where is it? Oh my goodness, baby.
No brakes.
Don't be like me.
No brakes.
I'm sliding on metal.
No brakes.
And you know how hard
Oh, yes. Oh my God.
See the difference?
The difference.
you be. Lord Jesus. Lord.
But your rotor is still good though.
Yes.
That's good.
These bricks is heavy too.
Heck yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, here. My fault.
Usually they'll come on here.
Mhm.
I don't know what the hell they got going on now. So, click it on.
Press it on.
Yep. Click it on. Cause all of them the same. They're all of them the same.
Press that.
I know that angle though. Okay. Period.
Back on your phone. Didn't have
Oh,
it.
that looks like a whole difference to my car.
Yeah, tricky part come in. Since I ain't got no never be afraid to touch your own shit.
That part, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. Hold on. Gotta touch it one good time. Like, you feel me?
Like if
break
you
it.
want this to look good, you take it off, sand it down, paint it yellow.
Yeah.
This
Ooh.
yellow, this yellow, and it'll be showing through the car yellow.
Ooh, yeah.
That's how they'll, do the car,
Yeah.
make the car look good.
Okay.
Right now, we're gonna have to get this rotor here to go in there.
Okay.
I forgot how I did that.
Huh?
No, cause see, you gotta come up with stuff, right? So now I'm gonna come up with some stuff.
Oh my goodness.
Get this to go in.
Wait, pause. You can't just put it back on?
Oh, you got a jack, don't you?
Yeah.
What kind of jack you got?
It's
Let
like
me
a
see
little
your
black
jack.
one.
Yeah.
I wish we could pause the video, like pause.
You can cut out.
You're supposed to be able to pause it.
iPhone
So this
ain't
be a
got that.
long video. Just what's the piece on what's this? What's that? What's the name of that one?
Oh, what you say?
That's it.
I should grab them parts from my
Yeah, I don't have no extra pliers. Oh, you gonna try? Oh, I see what you was gonna do.
Put it in the middle here.
Yeah.
Because if mine was small enough, I don't know.
And you can't put the wrench inside of that and open it.
The what?
This does it have like a pressure opener, like a wrench? That.
We got this right here.
Oh damn. Okay.
We all got it. That goes in there right there.
Did it do it? We are all good people.
Huh?
No, it's gonna be good.
Is that truck finna work here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's finna work in one of these buildings.
Yeah.
Let me see. I like
window.
the window. Yeah, he got a seat clamp. Motherfucker, him.
That's everybody.
He's so bold.
Hey man, I want to know you.
Yeah, he really asking somebody though. Yay, Nay.
You go check it out.
Oh, cool. Faithy. I wish I had some food on me.
Some what?
Food.
Oh, give her?
No, to me. Just saying. Okay, he got 2 cars.
One is his and one is his wife's.
But he like her butt. That's what his shirt said. I like her butt.
Show you what the seat clamp is, but you work with windows, so you gotta have something to clamp it in. So that means, give it to me. I'm going to take that tire loose and clamp it. Do it while you're here.
No, period. Should I start working that side? No, I can't work that side while it's down. Come here.
I gotta get the jacket.
Yeah. Everybody wanna come now, my way.
A little bit more. That's how I did it too.
What needs to be pushed in exactly this part?
This ain't setting me back on nothing.
Oh yeah. How you doing?
Hey,
What do you use?
a C-clamp.
C-clamp to put it back?
Yeah, to push this back. No.
No, the ones that tight. No, I got the normally the ones you have to push it.
Oh, what?
Yeah, not the ones you say that they gotta clip right and then you clip it right. No?
But this is screw in.
Let me just do something with them real quick and I check on my box.
Okay.
Yeah?
All right.
But they, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
He gonna come
Guarantee
back.
by the time he figured that out, I didn't did my C-clamp already. Watch you.
You can't step on it.
Yeah, it gotta go
Yes,
in
and it was
because
sticking out.
the brakes are brand new.
Wow, that's crazy. Period. I'm just playing not like that, but like I could teach my nigga how to. No, I'm like,
No, you should have somebody else already do that thing.
no, that part.
No, you can do it on
Exactly. What's wrong with that?
See?
Okay.
Got new, brand new.
And then we put the things back in, we got.
That's amazing. We really didn't wait on nobody. Like, especially, that's crazy. He didn't. Yes, sir. All done with one. That's dope. I like that process. Oh, that looks much better.
Oh, it's fast coming from up under there. When you fit it up under there. Damn.